Hi everyone, I'm gonna quickly show you how to make these drawers kind of always unlocked. So you can see with my tools chest, so it's locked now, but my lock is not working properly. So what I need to do, and I don't have a key, so what I need to do is I just do like this, turn it counterclockwise, and then it makes it open. And then so let me do it one more time. Yeah, so now I can open it. So I have to do it every time I need to open my drawer, which is very annoying. So what I want to do is I want to kind of make these drawers permanently unlocked. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna show you what I did for these two drawers on the bottom, and then I'm doing it for this one now. So I kind of pull the drawer out a little bit by unlocking this lock mechanism. You can see from both sides, and this one is pressing up and then this one is pressing down. So I pull the drawer a little toward me, so you can see, and then you can see where, so if you come here, so you can, this is where the lock mechanism work. So if you go closer, it's not focusing, but yeah, you'll get an idea. So you see these things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this and then hold the clamp on side like this, so that I can break it by doing up and down motion multiple times. So I'm doing this and this. So see, I broke this part out from one side. I have, so this side is done, and then I'm gonna do it on the other side too. So good. So now put this back. So now, so you see, it's permanently unlocked, where this one is locked, because I haven't done it for this this drawer yet. But this one I did it. So this one I did it, this one I did it. Yeah, so that's how you can permanently unlock the drawers, even if you have a lock, and then if you have issue with the lock or you don't have any key. Thank you.